Hey, it's Glenn Jones for theboilershop.com.au, and today we're looking at assembling the parts for the small welding feature SF12. Backing plate 6mm, cover plate 2mm, stainless steel or carbon steel option. If you acquire the DXF download for this, you'll receive a DXF file for the backing plate, a DXF file for the cover plate, a DXF file for the plastic spacers, all included in the download. The spacers are high density polyethylene, 3mm thick, and these must be water jet cut. So the laser cutting for these, water jet cutting for the plastic. I suggest you ask if they also provide a water jet cutting service. Many laser cutting companies do offer this, but some don't. So you want included in the price for the download for the cutting. Hopefully the one company can cut all parts for you, water jet and laser cut. So I'll put up on the screen now the dimensions of this backing plate, so you get the idea of what size it is to fit into your steel work. So we have the 6mm backing plate, welded in position into whatever location where it's required. After it all comes back from painting, and then look at it assembling the parts. Discussion on the high density polyethylene spacers. So you'll get something that looks like this, a little bit of a different arrangement, but all together, and they just simply are cut off with a Stanley blade. And separated and good for use. So I need 3 of them. Now that's the spacers. We've also got the screws. I'm using and everything I use is stainless steel. So it's stainless steel button head set screws at 6mm diameter and M6 thread, all metric. And again, I use all metric for everything. And the nut, because of this is going into my display panel, these parts are being interchanged, but I suggest, just for my display purposes, I use the standard nut, if I can get it on there. And that's pretty much it. So, but I would suggest using the nylock locking nut, which I'll just put an image up now of that. So the nylock locking nut is used just in service so that it doesn't rattle loose over time. So put the spacers in position and then put the cover plate over the top. Nuts on just to lock it in. Check for alignment on the top side. So the SF12 small welding feature is designed to complement traditional wrought iron work. It gives the steel work a modern touch. Open up the description section below where you will find all relevant links for this item. Please click on the little bell and the subscribe button if you want to keep up with my latest work. And thanks